Hey, Terry Linde here with 5 tips to help serious athletes achieve peak performance. First, periodized training. Structure your training with different phases to prevent burnout and maximize gains. Focus on strength, endurance, and recovery. Number 2, sport-specific workouts. Tailor your workouts to your sport. Incorporate drills and exercise that enhance your specific skills and performance. 3, recovery techniques. Use recovery strategies like foam rolling, stretching, and proper nutrition to aid muscle repair and growth. 4, mental training. Develop mental toughness through visualization, goal setting, and stress management techniques. 5, professional guidance. Work with a coach or trainer to fine tune your training program and ensure you're on the right track. Do you want more tips to boost your athletic performance? DM me for a free guide designed for serious athletes looking to reach their peak.